now that we have something good. All right. Now that we have gotten past, after clicking on signing up, let's continue. Let's continue, please. We have added the email address and then the password. Automatically it got us to this point, right? Synchronizing our Gmail account. It's asking us, what do you plan on using Canva for? Can you give me those options? I know most of yours is going to be more of personal designs, right? I don't think you are trying to open one shop and put banner in front of it to call it your design studio. Yeah. Mm. So should I go ahead to, because we are going to be using a free account, I'll go ahead to skip all this nonsense and get into Canva. Now, going into your profile, you can see what I'm saying. You can see the same thing you can see the interface. The interface is very simple. I'll go ahead to show you that whenever you open Canva for the first time, you can see that we have some coming soon here: doc, whiteboard, presentation, social media, video. Can you see that Canva can also do some video, can put some videos together for you, some simple videos. So we have website creation as well. We have some, can you see custom sizes? And then we have auto upload. You can upload images to your Canva profile. Are you with me? Now, we have this interface to ourselves, and you can even go to the left side. On the left side, because I'm joining with my laptop, it's different from the view that you would have whenever you are joining with your mobile phones. Phones are more simpler, and I'll show you the two, right? So phones are more simpler working with Canva because some things will be hidden because they are condensed to phone screen. But on a wide screen, you can see everything. This is your profile with your name, right? Your Google name. You can see that I also have my own profile here, but you can see there's no design on your profile. I'm moving my mouse now. Are you seeing anything? Just need to be prayerful.